Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever annual chess tournament between Person A and Person A. This will be the chessboard we will be using, and it's White's first move. Starting us off is the King's opening. Black does the same. White then moves his queen in front of his king. Black decides it wants to replace one of its pieces. Here now, watch out, the horses are moving over to each other. Black's king decides it wants to move into a castle. Currently, Black has the advantage. No one knows where this game is going. White decides it wishes to roll a dice. The dice is 2. Therefore, White gains 2 horses via mating. Meanwhile, Black brings out a real horse. Good boy. White decided it wishes to roll the dice again, but a different dice. It is orange. Therefore, White wishes to buy and build a house on the white square. Meanwhile, Black brings in the military to fight off this. Meanwhile, Black brings in the military to break down this house. White moves this pawn 1 step forward to defend the house. The horses are now running rampant across Black's board, side of the board, taking out half the army. In response, Black decided it tried to summon a demon, but it was prevented by holy water. Black is so frustrated by this, it decides to play a royal flush. Meanwhile, White tries to hit the words, please. Meanwhile, Jack Can I English, please? White tries to play a jack. White tries to attempt a snap with a jack, but is prevented by server lag. Black gets the snap. White decided it wanted its own castle. Not compensating for anything, I see. Now Black decides to ask a question. If someone is described as hirsute, it means they have a lot of what? White decides to answer hair. There is now a rat between demons and godhood. White then decides it wants to play another game of what house should I build where? That house does not exist. Take 2. Broke the other house. That counts as a turn. It is now Black's move. Black now decides to send in the military to attack the queen. Meanwhile, the horse is now communing with the... giant mouse. Frustrated about the fact that it's not winning, White decides to play the stone in the sword. You dumb bastard of a camera, you... There we go. He decides to attack Black King. It missed. The left out pawn feels for its brothers, as it is now a tie game. Defective pawn sends out Squirtle. Meanwhile, White brings in the God of Time and Space. It's bulkier. The military tries to attack space. It missed. The Black King now sends in the God of Time to neutralize the God of Space. The byproduct is gravity. TARDIS moves 1 space forward. White King responds by playing words Kazik. If you're wondering what it is, Google it. Black now places illegal houses next to the Holy Land. It's been a long time since you've knocked over. Depth perception. We now reach the final conclusion of this game. This will be the ultimate game in human history between 2 chess masters. Person A and Person A. And of course, the winner of this year's annual chess tournament is sheep. Magic flying sheep. It was worth it.